everyone, it's Melissa Joyce here. Happy Friday. I wanted to create this quick video to show you how to access and use the eJournal in ConnectEd. When I first saw that there was an eJournal tab, I was really excited. And I had my kids start using it, but then I realized you couldn't see, at the time, you couldn't see the kids' work. So I was so bummed out. I've been hearing from many teachers that they're encountering the same problem. So I wanted to make this quick video to show you how to use it and that it actually does work. And it actually is really, really cool, and I think it makes my life a lot easier when it comes to checking work. You can also check it as they're doing it, which is pretty cool too. All right, so I'm going to log into my ConnectEd. I'm going to click on my teacher book. And then in the, I hope you guys can see, in the upper left-hand corner, we have the menu tab. You're going to scroll down to where you see eBooks. Now my eJournal is on the second page, so you're going to have to search for your eJournal. So here's mine, eJournal Volume 1. I'm going to open that up. Okay, and here it is. So at the top, you can see there is a little person. When you click on that, it's going to bring up your classes. So I'm going to click on my homeroom, and then all of the students come up. I'm going to click on, let's click on Flynn's. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll through the journal until I get to the page I want to see. So for example, yesterday I taught 1.6. Okay, so here is his work for 1.6. So as you could see, it's really cool because they can see all the questions on one page. They don't have to keep going back and forth between all of the different screens like they did in ConnectEd when they go into the lesson. And it also makes it easier for you to check also because they're right here for you. If you want, you could go in and you could actually correct it and put little C's on it, okay, so they can see if their work is correct. You could also put a Post-it, a virtual Post-it. So in the upper left-hand corner, there is a Post-it picture, and you just want to click on if you want to put it on the left page or the right page. So I'm just going to make a pretend one. So Flynn, please remember that when rounding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round up, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, round down. I don't know, I just made a generic note, and then you could post it. And then a Post-it note will pop up on the screen, so they know that they have a note from their teacher, and they can click on it, open it up, and read it. So it's pretty cool. Also, when I have them working, if I have them in breakout groups, what I do is I could actually click, and let's say I wanted to see a different student. Here's Jaden's. Kaylee's is not done. Kawan is finished. I would write a note here because he didn't write the value. He only wrote the place, except for letter E. So you can just go through them one by one. You have access to all your kids' stuff, which is pretty cool. So I'll say, hey, Luz, I noticed you're not on your math boxes yet. Make sure you're working, or whatever the case may be. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Then I want to show you how you can, how the kids can get there. So I'm going to go in as a student. I'm going to go in the student edition. Okay. And here's their screen. Right here is the ebook tab, eJournal Volume 1, and then it comes up. So they have a table of contents. Okay, so if they're in Unit 1, they can click this caret. If we're doing lesson 1.6, which is US, or 1.7, which is US Traditional Edition, it takes them right to the page. I told my kids to use the text box because it's easier to do than the pen, and it's easier to read too. All right. So I hope this helps. If anybody has any questions, feel free to send me an email, give me a call. All right. Have a good day, everyone.